How to transfer money between wallets in Money Manager app. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money between wallets or accounts, also called transfer, in the Money Manager app. This feature is perfect for moving funds between your own accounts like cash, bank, credit card, savings, and more. So let's get started. First, launch the Money Manager app on your device. Now here, you can see plus icon at the bottom. Tap on it to start a new entry. Select the transfer option. This is right here. This is specifically for moving money between your own accounts, not income or expense. You will see fields for amount, from, and to. Okay, just enter the amount you want to transfer. Now you can also enter the note, or you can just skip it. Once you are done, tap on save, and now you will see the transaction listed under here. You can see it right here. This transfer method helps manage the cash withdrawals, credit card payments, and saving transfers. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer money between wallets in Money Manager. It's the best way to move funds securely between your own accounts without messing up your financial summaries. If this helped you out, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.